In this hangar behind me is a flying boat that's been abandoned for at least 8 years that we know of, and I bought it. Wow, look at that thing.
While it did run, it needed some work.
Can I get a clear prep? What?
Yeah, right away I knew we were in for a ride. This has always blown my mind a little bit. 53% of you that watch this show regularly haven't yet subscribed to the show, so could I ask you for a favor before we start? If you like the show and what we do here, and you want to support us, the free, simple way that you can do that is just by hitting the subscribe button. My commitment to you is if you do that, then I'll do everything in my power to make sure that this show is better for you every single week. We'll listen to your feedback and we'll find the deals and the projects that you want me to check out, and we'll continue to do what we do. So thank you very much.
Oh, wow. You hear that? Sounds like potato chips. I'm sure that's fine.
Then I discovered the carburetors were leaking and desperately needed overhauled. However, it was way easier and a whole bunch cheaper than any other airplane stuff I had done before. After servicing the other normal stuff like an oil change, the filter, spark plugs, the tail wheel, the tube and tire, I did something really stupid.
And I went to take this piece of hose off and it broke the plastic bleeder port right out of the radiator. Oh, you gotta be kidding.
After a few hours and a couple of trips to the auto parts store, I discovered this is the exact same radiator for a 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit. Yep, can't make this stuff up. Once I fixed that screw up, it was ready to call in the expert. Justin came over and helped tune and dial this thing in. Smooth like butter. Wow! Now it was time to fly. Except this happened.
We went to push it back and the tail wheel went to turn and then it lifted up and then went boom and folded in all at the same time.
Yeah, the tail wheel broke off. Small inconvenience, really. Once I fixed that and a couple of other minor things, some leaking brakes, and did you know the wings are zip tied on this airplane? I did not know that. Hey, we even upgraded the avionics. Now it's time to fly. Since this airplane was new to me and after some major maintenance, I found this test pilot. He is the owner of the Aventura line of airplanes based out of DeLand. If anyone was right guy to fly this, it was this guy.
You know this airplane?
Yeah, so I actually have a photo of this aircraft when it was at Rockledge up on our wall, so top fun. It's a kind of a cool spin on the name, but yeah, no, so I definitely recognize it. I haven't seen it in years, so.
And the hull is not fiberglass, it's actually Kevlar. Bulletproof vest kind of stuff. Way better. The test flight went really well, and now it's my turn to fly. Oh, except I'm not allowed to fly and not qualified to fly. So I went to school and got learned. Seems like the prices of everything has gone up a whole bunch. I got internet, and it started at, I don't know, like $49 a month or something like that. And then I didn't renegotiate, and then it is now, I don't know, $90 a month, something like that, only after 2 years. That's ridiculous. I want to thank today's sponsor, Rocket Money, for helping me get that thing lower. Yeah, not gonna lie, I've also signed up for some other free trials of things, and then that $9.99 a month thing kicked in, and I never bothered to cancel it. Well, Rocket Money also can do some of that. They can go in on some of these apps and other things and cancel it for me, which that helps because I don't want to spend 4 hours on the phone getting on hold, talking to somebody that I don't understand their language, to then not really know how to cancel it. But Rocket Money can do that for me, so heck yes. Go to rocketmoney.com/Jimmy to get a free premium trial. You can also scan the QR code or click on the link in the description. Now it was my turn to fly. I found Patrick to teach me the happy feet tail wheel dance to keep the front pointed front so it doesn't spin me around, baby, like a record baby, round, round like a record baby. Just a gray hair. After 2 flights, we noticed something very suspicious about the tail wheel. It was unusually worn, and we discovered this.
Well, there's your problem. This whole thing is crooked. Look, it's all cocked way off to that side, which makes the wheel, when it comes down, sit this way.
So I spent the next 3 weeks repairing it and actually making the parts I needed. And we added some really cool Aero LED lights on this thing. Now it was time to see if it would float. It was Patrick and I hopping in the seats, and we just went full send. It was either gonna float or it wasn't. And praise the Lord, it floated. Patrick, thank you for being so patient with me as I learned how to do a tail wheel endorsement with you and practice flying this airplane on and off of water. It was kind of rough there for a few times, but your patience really paid off, and I cannot thank you enough. And it's been such a great pleasure of mine to getting to know you and call you friend. So everybody put in the comments, Patrick, you're a rock star. You rock my face off. Once this thing was flying, it was time to upgrade it again. Yep, so we upgraded the avionics and added a 3-axis autopilot. I'm pretty sure that was overkill. That's a terrible word to use in an airplane. I'm pretty sure it was way more than what this airplane needed, but come on, I mean, why not? And then Silas, my 16-year-old son, got to use our Prusa 3D printer to remake the gear stops. And the old ones cracked and were broken, and these new ones are way stronger and way, way better. The flying boat is finally finished! And I have to get rid of it. Sadly, I have to sell it. And I'm selling it for no reserve at Airspace Auctions. The link is in the description, or I'll put it on the screen here for you, and go bid on it, because I don't know what this is going to bid to. Hopefully more than 20 bucks, that would be good. But it's going to go to somebody out there. I hope it's one of you. And you'll be able to enjoy this, take it on adventures, go to the beach, go to wherever you want. The reason I'm selling it is because I have found another project. Of course, I mean, this is what we do here at Jimmy's World. We get a project, we fix it up, we get it flying again, have some adventures with it, and then move on to the next project and save another airplane. Included in the sale of this are 2 OSHA-approved safety noodles. Trust me, you want one. Red for left, green for right. Custom, right there. So you don't kill yourself on this thing. They come in handy, trust me, okay? If you haven't already, did I get that right? Does it actually look right? I can't tell, it's upside down. Hold on. Does that actually look right? Come on! Heck yeah! Public school, right there.
gonna go find that next airplane. See ya.